This unlimited veg thali restaurant has been the talk of the town in Pune since years. Some of our faithful viewers have been recommending this thali often, and what you are about to see on this video will literally make your jaws drop just as ours did. By the time we left this restaurant, the queue was 2 floors long. Yes, you heard that right, all the way to the ground floor. So 11 kilometers is the distance that separated us from this restaurant. But if you've been watching our videos regularly, by now I'm sure it must be obvious that we don't mind traveling to any corner in Pune for delectable food. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Gavin and that's Adrian right here. And just look at the crowd here guys. Just look at the crowd outside Durwan and I'll show you from here. So the time right now is 1:40 and this place was recommended to us by some of our viewers, and just look at the crowd here guys. That is the crowd to have the thali, and these stairs are going to the 3rd floor. So right here is the 2nd floor, and we are standing here at the entrance because this place is jam packed and these are the people waiting behind us. Look at the number of people that have come here to have their lunch guys. We are seated right here because there behind, if you look, there's a counter. We made the payment online, so for 2 thalis we have paid 860 rupees and that is what they have given us. So if you see here, there's a seating arrangement that's made here and we are waiting for our turn to go there and get ourselves a table. So if you see here, that gentleman there, he's the one directing everyone where to go. So he will be calling out our name because outside they took our name, and we'll be getting one of the tables right here. Look at this guys, we finally got our table and the thalis are already placed here. We have these guys who keep coming and putting different sort of things in the thali. So here we have papad, there is chapati here, and this looks like some roll. I guess it's a paneer kind of a roll. And then we have some gravies here, paneer gravy. And look at this guys. Look at the number of people that are there over here. So I know this video is going to be very messy, but then you have to understand this place is jam-packed. Well, we have already started eating here, so I have taken chapati. There was an option to take chapati and the puri, so Adrian has gone for the puri here as well. So if you have a look here, I have taken the chapati with some paneer. And here we have another guy who's poured some beautiful looking stuff here. This looks like the Shrikhand. Yeah, it is the Shrikhand. So guys, yeah, it's time for the review now. I have taken the chapati with the paneer. Good thing about this chapati is the chapatis are very soft, and the paneer bhaji here is very good. The paneer is a bit spicy, and let me try the dal. I'm not sure what this is. This looks like some kind of sambar, and it has some coconut in it, so it is tasting really nice. And again, it's a bit spicy. And yeah, coming back to the paneer, this is the paneer. I could not tell you in detail. So yes, this paneer bhaji was very good, and Adrian right here is pouring the lasun chutney, I guess this is. So we'll have to taste all the chutneys in here, and look at the number of chutneys that we have here. And guys, here is the dokla. So this is a specialty from Gujarat. Dokla, nice and soft, bit on the sweeter side, and it has good flavors of all the chana and stuff. This season's star is the amras. So this is the amras thali, and here if you have a look, the texture of the amras, it is very very thick. Amras is nice and cold and very thick as well. It's not at all watery. Now let's go for the Shrikhand right here. The Shrikhand is absolutely fantastic. In all our thalis lately, we haven't had Shrikhand, but guys, the Shrikhand here is very very good. And now let's try this spring roll. So it has corn inside it, has some potatoes, a little bit of cheese. Very nice and very crispy. And while I'm eating, Adrian is going on back to back, taking all the things from here.
This is cucumber salad, sweet cucumber salad.
This sweet cucumber salad. And here we have the amras guy. So I guess I have enough of amras. So that right there is the lasun chutney.
This is lasun and this is peanut.
This is peanut, okay. So the peanut is a bit darker and it has some crumbs. And what else do we have here? We have the green chutney in here, some pickle and lemon here. Okay, now let me try the dahi vada. Dahi vada is nice and Adrian said dokla is also nice. I also like the dokla. It has the perfect taste, the perfect flavors. Dahi vada, I would say the vada could have been a little better, but yeah, the dahi is great as well. And what do we have here? We have the potato bhaji here. So let's taste this. Potato bhaji is amazing. Actually, let me taste this with a bit of puri. I didn't take the puri, but I just want to taste this, guys, with the puri. Okay. That is fabulous. Wow. What is this?
This is batana bhaji.
Watana bhaji, yeah. Okay. Let me taste this. I don't think I have it. This is the watana bhaji. Actually I did. It was the same thing. It was watana bhaji, guys, not dal. I could not get the green paste. And let's see what else we get here. So here we have something called masala bhat, and he's going to pour the ghee over it. For what? Coconut or kothambir. Okay. So he's put coconut and coriander. Something new, guys. Alright, now it's time to go for this masala bhat. Let's try this. Reminds me of home, guys. My mom makes something similar to this, and it has a lovely dressing of ghee on it and some coconut on it and the coriander. So it's giving very good flavors. As I said, guys, this vlog is going to be messy. There are a lot of people walking around here with different things. And look at our thalis, guys. Adrian here doesn't have to shoot today because I'm the one who's doing the hard work. I'm eating as well as shooting. So I've gotten myself a puri, and that is to dip it in the Shrikhand and have. So growing up in Mumbai has its benefits. I used to have a lot of this at my Maharashtrian friend's place, the Shrikhand and the puri. And this reminds me of those days. Very nice Shrikhand. I guess the best part for me in this thali was the Shrikhand. I had it after a long time, and here Adrian is enjoying the same as well. So guys, if you have a look, the crowd has become a bit less, but not very less. There are a lot of people waiting there on outside, and I guess I am almost done with my thali. That's what I have remaining. I don't want to overeat and stuff myself and struggle later. So I guess I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. This was a viewer special, and that's why we came here to shoot the video. So until the next video, take care, stay safe and stay positive.